Dear students, in this video clip, we will learn exercise of lesson 2 given at page 20 and 21. So, on page 20, the question is given dictionary skills. A dictionary is a collection of words in one or more specific languages listed alphabetically with usage, definitions, pronunciation, and other information. So the question is given, do you know what is a dictionary? So dictionary is a collection of words in one or more specific languages listed alphabetically with usage, definitions, pronunciation, and other information. Next question is, have you used a dictionary before? You may answer yes or no. How are words arranged in a dictionary? So answer is, the words are arranged in alphabetical order. So next question is, guide words and entry words. Next question is, guide words and entry words. So guide words, there are two bold-faced guide words at the top of each page. In dictionary, he says, there are two bold-faced guide words at the top of each page. Guide words help you find the word you want to look up. The guide words on the right shows the last entry on that page. So now we see the practical of this guide words. So this is the dictionary page given as example in our book. So guide words are egg and acid rock. So these two words are known as guide words, and we can get help from these to find the required word. Next, the entry word. An entry word is the word that you look up in the dictionary. Entry words are printed in bold and they are listed in alphabetical order. So the entry words is a word that you look up in the dictionary. The words you have to find out its meaning or synonyms or whatsoever it may be. So the words are known as entry words. Oh, and this, you can see them: egg, achieve, achievable, achievement, achievement age. Next, aching, achromaticity, acid, and so on. The last word is acid rock. So this acid rock is the last word given at that page, and the first letter is given at the top, mean the first word. So egg and acid rock, these are the guide words, and these are the words given with the bold faces words. They are known as entry words. So next question is, identify the guide words and entry words in the sample dictionary page. So you just read it and identify the guide words and entry words in the sample dictionary page, mean 20 page. On page 20, you just find out what is guide words and what are the entry words. Next question is, give both the guide words on the following page of your dictionary. Give both the guide words on the following pages of your dictionary. If you have some dictionary, open it and on page 15 see what are the words which are guide words, then 37, then 62, then 85, then 110. On these pages you have to find out guide words. So you do it at your own. Last question is the meaning. Find the meaning of following words in the dictionary. So I have just written for you world prime, meaning अफजल, आला, बेहतरीन, मुहतरम. Cluster, झुंड, जुर्मट, गुच्छा. स्क्रैप, खुरचना. शैटर, पाच पाच करना, खत्म करना. लेजर, फुर्सत के लम्हात. विविड, चमकदार, रोशन, वाज़े. बैम्बू, बांस. रेस्क्यू, छोड़ाना, बचाना, बरवक्त इमदाद. ऑर्चर्ड, फलदार दरख्तों का बाग. एंड ग्लोबल, आफाकी या आलमगीर. So this was all our today's lesson, and in next lesson we will learn page 20, 22, 30 and 24, 22, 23 and 24. That's all. Thank you very much.